we are back in Jamaica. Hey, Ocho Rios. What's up, guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Claudia Walks here. For those who are watching for the first time, welcome. Returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support this beautiful girl here. Road to 10,000 subscribers. And guys, I just noticed that a lot of people are watching my videos and they are not subscribing. I don't know what you are waiting for. And subscription, it's free. Actually, it's free to subscribe on to this YouTube channel. Yes, and as you subscribe, don't forget to put that notification bell on, so that when Claudia Walks uploads a new video, you'll be among the first people to get notified, guys. Guys, we are back in Jamaica. The land that we all love. We are back in Jamaica like we never left. Actually, guys, I just noticed that you love my Jamaican vlogs, Jamaican videos, and guys, we are back. We are back. So welcome to Claudia's Walks community. Feel at home. This is our channel. No, as I always say, this is not my channel. This is our YouTube channel. So guys, today we are going to talk about the 10 best cities you can visit in Jamaica. Actually, you know that I'm going to Jamaica anytime soon, and I'm trying to do some research. I need one city which I will be like comfortable with. So you guys, I just need to tag you along so that you can help me how to choose the best city which I will be comfortable with. So guys, welcome to today's video. And for those who don't know Jamaica, I know actually for those who don't know, Jamaica is a vibrant island nation, very vibrant, and it's known for its culture, stunning landscape, warm hospitality. Actually, thank you so much if you're watching this video from Jamaica. You guys, you are so supportive, you are so caring, you are so loving. Yes, I don't take your support for granted. So guys, today let's talk about the best 10 cities you can visit in Jamaica, along with their reason as to why they are worthy exploring. I know you guys, you're gonna help me choose the best city to stay in Jamaica. So the first one, that is according to me and my research, the first one is Kingston. The first one is Kingston. Actually, for those who don't know, Kingston is the capital city of Jamaica. Okay, and it's the cultural and economic hub of Jamaica. So everything in Jamaica, Kingston, okay. Also about the reason why I love this city is because of the historical sites, including the Bob Marley Museum, the National Gallery, the vibrant Devon House. I don't know whether I'm pronouncing it well. Also, the nightlife. Actually, I've been watching videos of YouTubers from Jamaica, Kingston. Hey, the nightlife is so amazing, guys. I can't wait to experience that. Also, you can advise me too the advantages and the disadvantages of the city. I know most of you might advise me, oh, come to Kingston, come to this, because they are living in the same city. But guys, help Claudia to make the best decision. Yes. Also, I just saw that in Kingston we have also beautiful gardens, resorts. Yes. So that was number one for me. That was tick. And also, I just discovered is that it's a place where you can still visit. The environment is so good, not that bad. I don't know. I did not know. I did not dig about the beaches and all that. So, but I know Kingston is the best place to stay. Look at these beautiful beaches in Kingston, Jamaica. The view looks so good, so amazing, and I would love to visit this place. Can you let me know? Actually, I feel that Kingston has got the most beautiful beaches in the whole world. So clean, the water is so clear, The environment is, do I say well preserved all, but it looks so amazing. I'm loving everything about Kingston. Number two is Montego Bay. So guys, I'm using my phone, so I'm using my one hand to hold my phone to do this. So number two is Montego Bay. For those who don't know, Montego Bay is the tourist capital of Jamaica. Most of the tourists go to Montego Bay, and I just noticed that Montego Bay is famous because of the beautiful beaches, luxury resorts, also vibrant nightlife. I, every city has got its own nightlife, and it will depend. It will depend on you. Also, I just noticed that we have like key attraction. We have some key attraction like Doctor's Cave Beach. We have Rose Hall Great House, and the Hip Hop Strip, which is lined with shops, bars, and restaurants. That was my second city. Actually, it came as number two for me. For me now. So I would love to choose Montego Bay because of the beaches, the luxurious life, the nightlife, and all that. Actually, this is the view of Montego Bay city. The environment is not that bad. It's good, very clean. Yeah, it's not a bad city actually. So let me know. Look at these guys, so amazing. I would love to go there. Let's go to number three. Number three is Negril. So guys, don't come for me. Don't come for me telling that Claudia, you are trying to compare this and this. No, guys, I want to make the best decision. I want just to get the best. So number two, we have Negril. Negril is known for its wide sandy beach and the crystal clear waters. I saw that the water is so clear, and the place, for those who like sports, it's a perfect destination for water sports. Let me tell you, that is according to my research. It's the perfect destination for water sports and also diving. For those who like diving, you can go to Negril. Also, the sunset views, they are so amazing. They are so amazing, amazing, amazing. The rivers and everything about Negril, the environment, I just loved it. Then also you can still let me know what else. I don't know about the cities. Maybe you are living in Montego Bay, Kingston, Negril, and you want Claudia Walks to know more about your city. You can still let me know, because this is according to my research. Okay. Yes.
So guys, this is Negril. It's still beautiful. Look at how people are diving. We have also weeds. The view is so good. Oh my god. So guys, let me know in the comment section what do you think about Negril.
Let's go to number four. Number four, which is Ocho Rios. Okay. Okay, Ocho Rios is the major port of call for cruise ships. Okay, it's well known for adventure, natural attraction. We have beautiful river falls over there, mountains. We have caves, and also it offers like beautiful beaches actually. And I saw that there is a craft market, which is lively actually, and I would love still to go to Ocho Rios actually. Yay, Ocho Rios! So still, I've not made up my mind about the city which I'm gonna visit, but I'm just trying to weigh. And I know through you guys will help me. You will have to help me, because it's not like I will have to visit all the cities, but I just want to choose one city where I will be living. Okay, let's go to number five. Number five, we have Port Antonio. So, guys, I told you that I'm using my. I'm sorry, guys. I'm using my hand to hold my phone. My camera is charging. I just forgot. I have one battery. I have one battery and it's charging. So I decided to do this video using my phone. Also, we have Port Antonio, which is number five for me. That is according to me. And the landscape there, the natural beauty, and the blue lagoon. Is it lagoon? I don't know whether. So the landscape, the natural beauty, it's so amazing. Most of the landscapes, it's like it has like this natural beauty. French Curve Beach. Also, it's famous. Actually, I noticed that. Sorry. Also, I noticed that Port Antonio is famous because of the history and cultural heritage. So for me, Port Antonio comes number five. I would love to visit. It's not a bad place, not a bad city, but guys, I'm thinking about it. So let's go to number six. Number six, which is Falmouth. Falmouth. These are the cities in Jamaica. Jamaica is big actually, and the reason why Port and the reason why Portsmouth comes number 6 is because this city is well preserved for architecture and historical significances. Also, it offers the preserved culture, the culture, the history, and all that. We have like I saw that we have okay. I have to visit Port Falmouth because of the it has got this beautiful market, but I don't know more about the Falmouth. If you know anything about the Falmouth, you can still let me know. Honestly, it comes number 6. Number 7, we have Spanish Town. And you know that Spanish Town is the oldest city in Jamaica. Jamaica. We have historical sites there. We have like it provides deep like the history of Jamaica, the colonial thing and all that. Okay. So I told you that, guys, if you have been following me, I know nothing about history. So this is like a city which I would love to visit so that I can learn. Actually, this is the best city I can go and learn. It's all about the history, the colonial architecture, the historical side, because we have like Spanish. Is it Spanish Town Square? Yes. So also number 7. So if you know anything special with Spanish Town, you can still let me know. Let's go to number 8, the Treasure Beach. Actually, this is the fishing city. This is a fishing village actually. Treasure Beach. I have a friend. Is it a friend? Like yes, for like months now. I have a friend who come from the city, and he told me that the place the place is so friendly for the locals. We have beautiful beaches. The local cuisine is so good, and they over the annual calabash. Is it festivals? I don't know. I don't know, guys. That's what I heard from my friend. So it's a place where you can go to relax with your family, picnic, go enjoy yourself. You can take your boyfriend, your girlfriend, and all that. So let me know if you're from the Treasure City. Yes, that was number 8. So let's go to number 9, which is it Runaway or Runway Bay. So here I just discovered that we have beautiful beaches, excellent, beautiful beaches, and it's a nice place where you can go to relax. Yes, that's what I know about that city. I know nothing about. I know that's what I know about it. I did not dig into it. Actually, I'm just briefing. I'm just briefing you guys. Yeah. So don't take it too personal. We are just here to discuss and all that. Then we have Mandeville. I saw the climate there is so good. The gardens, the coffee plantation. Yes, the town. Is it the town or the city? It's just a nice place where you can go to relax. And the natural beauty is so good. The interior. Mhm. If you want to go to Jamaica, make sure you visit them. That comes number 10. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If it's your first time, kindly subscribe. Choose for me which is the best city to visit in Jamaica. Yes. So that is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you are watching for the first time, kindly subscribe. Half of my viewers are watching my videos and they are not subscribing. I don't know. They are there commenting and they are not subscribing, guys. To subscribe, it's free. So go subscribe to Claudia Wong. And guys, I'm so sorry. I just had to do this because of you. So yes, see you in the next one. So bye bye.